What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook pixel in order for you to understand what it is and how does it work. You need to look at the Facebook pixel like a baby, because when you have a brand new pixel, you don't have data, you don't have basically anything. You need to provide a lot of data in order for that pixel to give you the best results. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 different scenarios on how you can use it. So the first one is for an e-commerce campaign. This is really good if you have an online store, you want to sell your products, you want to see how you can use it. The second one is for a lead generation campaign. If you are providing a service, you want to get more leads, you are into affiliate marketing, this is really going to help you. And the third one is for a survey campaign, and this is a really good example, and it works for either if you are selling your products or you're providing a service. It works really well. Now, if you haven't set up your Facebook pixel, there's gonna be a link up here and in the description below, so you can go and install the pixel on your WordPress website. But if you're not using WordPress, maybe you're using ClickFunnels, you need to basically copy the code and paste it in the funnel in the ClickFunnels account. And also, guys, I would recommend you to install the Chrome extension, the Facebook Pixel Helper, so you can basically know if the pixel is installed on your website. Having that said, let's dive into today's video. So we're going to start with the e-commerce campaign. This is for you if you have an online store. This is going to be a really good example that's going to help you understand how you should be using the Facebook Pixel. Now, the main traffic source we're going to use where we're going to place our ads is going to be Instagram and Facebook. The first step, when the person see the ad, they're going to click on it and they're going to go to a page, to a product page. In this case, we're going to sell a t-shirt, right? So they're going to be able to see the sizes, the color, the different specifications. And if they like the product, they're going to click on the buy button. This action is going to be known like a view content. Okay, so once they do that, they're gonna go to the other step, and here is basically where they're gonna have, if they add other different products to the cart, they're gonna be able to see all that in here, and they're gonna see the total amount. And this step is called add to cart. How do I know these names? Because when you have the pixel, you want to choose a conversion event, and there are different events like view content, add to cart, and the next one that is the initiate checkout. So initiate checkout is basically where the person is gonna put the billing address, the shipping information, the payment method they want to use in order for them to buy the product. And the last page is basically the thank you page. This is the most important page because it's where you're going to know if you get a purchase. So here is where you're gonna get the money. And hear me out here, guys, because this is where most people get this wrong. Most of the people, they think that the last step is just this one, but no, because when you have the pixel installed, you're gonna be able to track every step of this process. So let's say that, for example, 100 people, they visit the product page, but just 75 people, they just added to cart. From those 75 people, just 50 initiate checkout, and just 25 actually purchase your product. Okay, cool. You are selling, for example, let's say that the t-shirt cost $45, right? So what happened with all these people? Actually, these 2 events are the most important one. What's gonna happen with those 75 people, or just those 50 people that initiate checkout? Are you gonna lose that money? Because those are potential clients. Those are actually a warm audience because they already know about your brand. They were just a few steps away from buying from you. So the most logical step is that you retarget those people. And how you can do that? Because of the Facebook pixel. This little piece of code is gonna allow you to create custom audiences from people that added to cart or initiate checkout. And in that way, you want to be able to retarget those people with a different ad. Like, for example, you can put something, hey, I noticed that you have these products in your cart. Go ahead and get 5% or 10% discount if you finish the purchase. So in that way, you want to be able to get that potential clients to finish the action, and you're gonna get more money from that. The same thing happened with the people that already purchased from you. Those people are a hot audience, so you can retarget them with another product, and they're more likely to buy from you again. So this is how powerful it is to have the pixel installed in your website, guys, in your online store. This is really valuable what I'm sharing with you guys. And the main reason I'm doing this is because when I was getting started with e-commerce with my online store, I was doing this mistake. I was leaving money on the table by not retarget the people that added to cart or initiate checkout on my online store. So don't take this for granted. And if you're getting a lot of value from this, if you like what you're saying, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call. If you need more help, you can schedule a call with my team and I. Let's see where you're standing, what you want to achieve in order for us to help you get the best results. Now, let's continue with the second scenario. The lead generation campaign. This is a really good example that we show you right now, and this is gonna be really good for you if you are providing a service, you want to get new clients, or you are into affiliate marketing. This is really gonna help you. So I like to keep things simple because there are many strategies, there are many ways you can create a lead generation campaign. But for me, in my experience, simple is the best. Okay, you get really good results with simple stuff. So the same, we're gonna get the traffic from Facebook and Instagram ads. So let's say that you are a fitness coach and you want to get more clients. So in order for people to give their information, you need to provide a lead magnet, something for free. So in this case, let's say that you are providing a free body evaluation just to see how much body fat that person have, how much they weigh, so you can give them a solution later. Okay, so let's say that you create a landing page. You can put an image, you can put a video, some text talking about your service, what you're gonna provide, etc. And at the end of the page, you're gonna put a button. And this is gonna be the first step, the page view. And when the person clicks the button, they're gonna go to the second step where you're gonna collect the email and the name. This is gonna be the opt-in form. I like to keep things simple, like you can collect the name, the email address, the number, whatever, but I just prefer to collect the name and the email. So you can do that here. And once that person gives you their information, they're gonna go to the thank you page. So once they arrive to the thank you page, the pixel is gonna recognize that person as a lead. And here in the thank you page, you can put a video saying, hey, thank you for opting into my free evaluation. You're gonna get a lot of value, blah, 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 blah. You put something there. But also, just for you to know, you can start getting money on the thank you page. Because if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can recommend that person maybe a 3 month challenge to burn belly fat. So that person is gonna be likely to buy that product and you can start getting money since day one. Just a golden nugget I'm giving you here, guys. And the same principles. There's gonna be people that they land to the opt-in page or they land just to the first page you have, but they didn't continue with the process. So you can then retarget them with another ad, trying to bring them again to the funnel, okay, to the process. This is something really powerful if you want to start collecting new clients, new leads to your business. Because after they go through the free thing that you're providing, in this case the body evaluation, you can sell them another product, another service, and there's where you're gonna make the money, okay? So this is a really good simple example you can reverse engineer in your business. Now we're gonna continue with the survey campaign. So the same, we're gonna get the traffic from Instagram and Facebook. And in this case, we're gonna have as an example a doctor specialized in heart problems or heart disease. So let's say that this doctor wants to get more clients. So he can create a survey page. So you can have 10, 15, 20 questions and the user, the person is gonna answer all these questions related to heart problems. Then you wanna provide an answer. You wanna send them to a thank you page. And this could be something like, hey, it seems that you're a person who may have heart problems. Click the link below and schedule an appointment with the doctor. Something like that you can create. So you can see how this works, guys. This is really powerful, and this is something that really works extremely good with this kind of doctors or fitness, basically with everything. And not only with this, let's say that you have a list of your clients, you can survey your clients. In that way, you can get different ideas on what products they will be interested in so you can sell them later. You understand how powerful this is. So this is something really good. You can get more clients, you can get more products ideas to sell to your clients, and other different stuff that you can do with a survey campaign, with a survey page. So that's basically is the video for today. As you can see, 3 simple examples on how you can use the Facebook pixel. So I hope that you found this video valuable, guys, and remember that the 2 main goals of the Facebook pixel is to track every person that visits your website or your funnel, and to create retargeting lists or build an audience. And remember that with the pixel, you're always collecting data. That's the key of this. The more data you collect, the better results you will get. So if you find this helpful, guys, you can go to jordanvelazquez.com/call and let's see if we can work together. And comment below if you have any question. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss one of my videos. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.